guys, today we're going to be playing MM2. Well, not playing, but... Okay, as you can see, we're with Corrupted. And he says he's going to be giving me... Hell's Edge and Shark. But I'm not sure if he's going to be giving me the Shark for my brother Ryan. So, we're going to send him a trade. Okay. And he keeps... Sometimes he calls me Chinese. I don't know why. I don't know why, actually, for real. Yesterday he said, "Bye, Chinese dude." I'm not Chinese. Is it because I was Jeffy? Tell me. This glitch, a lot of people should know this. Where did they go? Who's murderer or not? What? This is pretty much odd. No one here. No one. What about in here? What? Are they invincible or something? Whoa. Let me go get a knife. What? Where's it go? Wow. What? Wait, right? Wait, what? About the surprise. Wait, what about surprise? Oh, yeah. Wait. Wait, we're gonna accept this, but I'll talk to him too. Dude! Come on. You said you wouldn't scam. You said... Fine. They know you're here, dude. Yeah, I know it. Okay, he's gonna leave, possibly. Possibly gonna leave. Okay, he said bye, Howls. I didn't really do it. No, boom! Scammed! Yep, yuppity-doo. Yuppity-doo. Dude! Stop doing that, please. Come on. You said you wouldn't scam. Wow, Corrupted. Okay, so he keeps scamming. Okay, I'm not sure if he's gonna get banned. He keeps scamming.
He's a scammer?
Well, yeah. Corrupted, wow. Corrupted, just stop. Just give me the knife, because you stole my flames.
And he sold it.
Yeah, he gave it away.
Corrupted, that's your last chance. That's your last chance. Alright?
Who's Jordex? Jordex.
mine.
Ugh, corrupt.
Never mind.
You scammed me. Kristen, why do you always have to do that?
Even you wrote putting Roblox in them too. Too many haters. Nobody is nice side for the people that will chill. Please.
Go. Corrupted, stop scamming, please. Kristen, what's your problem? You stole my knife already, and you still didn't do anything. You said the surprise, I'd go, wow. And I really thought that you wouldn't scam.
Yeah,
He
you know Vex. He's not a scammer. I ain't either.
He said he would give me it, and, well,
There's a huge
he
lie.
scammed, so...
How much time did he scam me?
Oh, I can't remember. It's tons. But first, guys, let me just do something. Not hacking, but I'm trying to do something. Not doing anything, but... That's his name, Scammer. I'm gonna change this for him.
Shall we call him
Nope.
later?
Yeah. Wait. First, let me just do this.
Yep. Wait, I just need to do something. Do this.
This. I'm a scammer. Well, I'm a scammer. Okay, so technically, all stuff you did bad. This is for how much times that he's not nice to me. Scammer. Sorry I got corrupted, but
You
did
did this.
Yeah, you did this. Your fault, not my fault.
We told. Oh well, I told you last chance, but I take that back.
There you go. Scammer.
Hey, go on creations. How about you said his name? I'm a scammer, bad name.
Yeah, wait. Villains. Oh, wait. Here.
Alright. I don't know why.
Scammer's place. Yay!
So what are you gonna do now?
Oh, I'm just gonna keep this being
Hey,
scammer.
can you do this?
No, I'm not recording.
Well, if he does this one more time, you're gonna do it?
Well, reports don't work, but I'm still gonna do it if he does it one more time. Report.
That's how you do it, huh? How did you do it? Yo, how did
Scammer.
you do it? I forgot how.
Report the scammer. Whee! Okay. All his stuff are scammer. Everything he did. Scammer. Bruh!
This.
Scammer.
The follower 0. 0.
Scammer. Oh, it doesn't really do anything. Okay, so elements.
He's following Vex. Do it. Following.
0. There you go. Following nobody. Actually, you know what? I think Brian said a good idea. Why can't I do it?
Oh God, you're dead. Following. Wait, what?
Wait. Vexian. Following Vexian. Thank you. So, how much friends? Nope, because he's a scammer. How many followers? Nope, because he's a scammer. Following Vexian. Because he scammed
What is Snapple
me.
over 20? For OS 20.
That's his headphones. Again, scammer, all this stuff. His life is a scam. Not being rude,
Even,
but he is being racist to me for calling me Chinese,
did
dude.
you say his mom did not exist?
That's what he told me. Except to go, my mom told me, well, you know, she don't want me to wake up late.
So he's a liar and a scammer.
But probably, yeah.
I know.
So, he is this. Let's check his profile, shall we? Scammer. I'm a scammer, Benny. Scammer, Vexian. Oh, thank you for that follow, dude. And scammer. All this stuff are scams. I should when he made his count. Oh, yeah, scammer. Let's visit scammer. Level 10.
Uh-oh, that's fine.
Okay. I don't care anymore.
But if
You know what?
sees
If
this
you
guy,
just don't want to give it to me, then you just don't have to, huh?
if someone meets this guy, just say,
Scammer! He's not opening. Just. Okay, guys. This dude's a scammer. You know who? Corrupted! Corrupted is a big
Fat liar.
scammer.
and fat liar.
Yeah. Scammer! Scammer! This is last
Let me
chance.
just, hey,
I am gonna call Roblox.
look,
I am not joking,
would you like to
Corrupted.
send him a message? Can I still friend him?
I'm gonna call Roblox,
Hi.
Corrupted.
This
You see this face? He's just winking because he's a scammer for lying every time. So I'm gonna call Roblox probably and make them ban him and make him give me all his godlies probably. Just kidding. But I am gonna call Roblox if he does this one more time. But I hate him now. I hate him.